Dear Mr. and Miss Arbus, we are happy to announce that our family day is scheduled on February 28 to March 1, 2014 at Salawat Covered Court, NIA Road, Barangay Salawag. This 2 days event will commence at 7:30 a.m. with a short parade around Raintree subdivision. Also, there will be a contribution of 100 pesos per student to cover expenses like venue, prizes, and many others. For the evening fund, we urge you to provide your own t-shirt and we will take care of the printing that costs 25 pesos only, aside from the fee. Deadline of payment and bringing of t-shirt for printing will be on Wednesday, February 26th. My team color is green, mighty cup. Please be informed also that there will be a star during the activity. You still have to bring your own food, lunch, and snacks. For inquiries on this matter, please don't hesitate to call the following: Miss Naomi 0917859206. Miss Babes 092175258880. Sir Julie 092979952859. Please add 10 pesos for the materials.